Hello again, my lovely friends. This is just going to be a super quick update, and I'm going to talk about the herbal side of the Survival Seeds 2025 collaboration. This is my entry video into that collab. Now, it is a subsection of Survival Seeds 2025, and Charles from Bushcraft Family is kind of in charge of leading us through this, but it's all about herbs and how you can keep them and how you can use them and how good they are for you. Oh my goodness. I just started learning about this kind of stuff about a year, maybe 2 years ago. That I started studying this. I got some herbal books and started looking into natural things that were good for pain, were good for my digestion, and a few other things that I could grow at home. And these three C's for the herbal challenge are all three that you need to grow if you want to start growing healthy things. I throw most of mine into teas. Um, I like hot beverages, and even in the tea that I have to buy, because if you know anything about tea, you know that tea only comes from one plant. The actual tea itself that has the caffeine in it only comes from one plant. Anything else that's in a tea is an add-in, and it's not actually tea. It's something else. But anyway, that's for another video and another subject. I don't want to bore you too much. I'm going to try and keep this to just right around 3 minutes. So it just hits that 3 minute mark. Anyway, the three seeds are hyssop, oregano, and lemon balm, and they are fantastic and easy to grow seeds. You can start them inside anytime. My oregano, my lemon balm, and my oregano. I haven't tried growing hyssop yet, but I do have oregano and lemon balm. I think my lemon balm will probably come back in the spring. I'll have to find out in the spring because it's the first year that I've grown it. But my oregano, I have a giant oregano bush out in the backyard. um, I don't know if mine is Greek oregano or the other kinds of oregano. I don't know. But I don't want another huge bush of oregano because I actually had to harvest my oregano twice last year, and it's still, I could have harvested it a third time, but I let it flower the third time to feed the bees into fall. Anyway, that's it, Charles. Here's my entry. If you want to enter into the herb side of things, it's the same entry process as I mentioned in the last video. You just have to go to survivalseedscollab.com and click on the Join Us button or whatever at the top on the menu. Look for Join Us or Join or something. Click on that and it'll explain everything that you have to do. And I'm going to finish this video and get it uploaded so that I can go and do that too. And I will hope to see you soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.